kung talaga lahat ng mga kamag-anak, mga pamilya ko muna uunahin ko.
Yes.
Nang nandito na kayong lahat, nag-share na ako sa iba. As he was the manager there.
Yeah, I remember that.
He got his own chicken sausages. He is the one, often Kali asked me, a lot of Filipino, to work with Michael because he knows he could guarantee all the Filipino will gonna work with Michael.
Buhay ko, trabaho, tagumpay, tawanan at tulungan. Ito ang Buhay Ireland Podcast. Let's go! Buhay Ireland, lakas ng kabayan, trabahong putot o di lang harap-harapan. Driver, nurse, pati construction, factory, office, taas no sa action. Buhay on ay may gabay ka rito sa hiring negosyo, di ka nag-iisa bro. Kainan, inuman, kwento ng tagumpay, boses ng Pinoy, tuloy lang ang buhay. Kahit malayo sa Pinas ang paa, puso ng Pinoy ay nandito pa rin.
Hello and good afternoon mga kabuhay Ireland natin dyan dito sa Ireland, and welcome sa another episode ng ating Buhay Ireland OFW episode or mga kababayan natin dito sa Ireland episode. So for today's episode, syempre sa mga nagtatanong sa atin since before about paano nga ba ako nakapunta rito, paano ba napunta yung family ko, and yung mga ibang Pilipino dito sa Ireland. So, I think this is the right time to answer all that questions sa inyo guys, kung saan kami nag-start and paano kami napunta rito dahil sa isang kapamilya natin. Talagang siya po ang tumulong sa amin, sa lahat ng mga Pilipino dito sa Faircup, sa Cavan, sa Monaghan, and most likely na-extend pa siya outside that Ireland more likely. Pero anyways guys, pakikilala natin ang ating mga guests. Umpisa natin sa siyempre sa guest na katabi ko na nakikita niyo siguro. Nakilala niyo na to si Joey sa last episode natin episode I can't remember 50 yata yun na interview siya. Kami one-on-one interview about sa kanya sa Saudi. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun guys, panoorin nyo, nilagay ko yung link dito. Panoorin nyo kasi ano yan, nakaka-inspire yung OFW moments niya sa Saudi, siya mag-isa. Sa Pilipinas kami, ng mga bata pa kami. Pero yun, si Joey, ang ating guest. And syempre, ang ating main guest, syempre, wala nang iba kundi si Tita Chris. Kilala, Chris Santa Martin, yun. So ito guys, pakilala si Tita Chris Santa Martin and si Papa Joey. Kamusta po kayo lahat?
Mabuti naman.
Mabuti.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. Yun. So, maraming po salamat, Tita Baby kasi tawag namin. Hindi pa sana sa Tita Chris. Pero Tita Baby. Pero she is well known as Chris Santa or Chris here in Chris Martin in Faircup. So, bakit siya, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, kapakilala ko sa inyo guys, yung sino ba, saan ba nagsimula ang Jerome. Paano nagpunta si Jerome dito sa Ireland. So, Tita, before natin sagutin yun, syempre pakilala natin kung sino kayo at ano yung story nyo before kayo kumuha ng katulad namin na kamag-anak.
That when my husband, tatagalugin ko na para.
Sige po.
Nung in-encourage ako ng Uncle Mickey nyo, which is Michael Martin, when we are in England, sabi niya na gusto niyang bumalik sa Ireland. Sabi ko, Ireland, ayoko ako sa Ireland dahil kasi my life, ang buhay ko sa London is well ahead better.
Yes.
And Ireland is not everybody knows Ireland before.
Yes.
And sabi ko, ikaw na lang ang umuwi at maiwan ako rito. Kung hindi ka sasama, hindi rin ako pupunta ng Ireland.
Yes po.
Na sense ko na talagang gusto niyang bumalik dahil must be there is a reason. Ang nanay niya kasi namatay na.
Okay.
At gusto niya, at ang will ng nanay niya, ang bahay sa Darkley, Faircup,
okay.
County Cavan, para sa 5 lalaki. Ang 5 lalaking yun, ang Uncle Mickey nyo, ang pinakapanganay, at ang bunso si Anthony. And then, to take the story short, naawa naman ako dahil alam ko na eager siyang bumalik. Sabi ko, sige, magre-resign ako sa Royal Incurable Hospital, which is a hospital for incurable like muscular dystrophy, mga multiple sclerosis. Nag-resign ako. Dinala niya ako dito, which was July 1990. It was summer. Nung makita ko ang Ireland, which is very, very depressing.
Okay. Hindi sa panahon, tita, it is
Depressing,
different talaga.
really depressing. Although it's July, pero depressing pa rin. Kasi hindi masaya, hindi ka mukha sa London.
Yes, po.
Paglabas mo, nandiyan ang mga transportation, nandiyan ang mga malalaking shop, Woolworth, Marks and Spencer. Dito sa Ireland, isang maliit lang na local shop.
Yes. Parang iba yung
Iba. I'm
Yes,
not
scenario.
expecting these places like this. Anyway, parang sabi niya na for the first night, we're gonna stay in Bellyborough, which my youngest sister lives there.
Okay.
They are going to accommodate us while we are going to do our house in Darkley. Okay. Kasama namin ang dalawang aso namin, si Benji, si Cola.
Yes, I remember that.
Yan yung dalawang yan. Benji? Bimbo.
Bimbo.
Benji was here. He was a Irish dog. Yung dalawang yun, sinama namin, sabi ko, sige, pag bibili natin ng bahay, bayaran natin. Kasi dalawang bahay namin, isa sa Putney, isa sa Kingston.
Okay.
Yung sa Kingston, ni-retain ko, at yung sa Putney, ni-retain ko, at ang Kingston ang pinagbili ko.
Okay.
Ngayon, nung mabili na yon, binayaran namin.
Opo.
Bago nangyari yun, sinabi ko sa asawa ko, kay Mick Martin, na kumuha ka ng abogado. Which if we are going to buy the house, I just want written black and white that we own it.
Yes.
Not because it's your family house, and then we are going to renovate it, and then after that, we're gonna be running after that.
Yes. Tama
I
po.
want a transparency.
Tama po.
In other words, na pagbili namin, then we pack our belongings, and I asked his youngest brother, Gerald, to stay to the Kingston house to hand it over the key to the new owner, which he done it. Then we go ahead 2 o'clock in the morning. Nag-travel kami out of London, going to Holyhead, which is Wales. The Wales is the last of UK. Then we took, what do you call it?
Peri-peri?
Ferry boat.
Oh, okay.
P&O.
PNO. Di ba train yan?
No,
Boat talaga.
Pacific and Orient. P&O. O Iris. Which one?
Paris.
Yeah, very Irish. And then, nung dumating kami, sa doble ng port, diretso kami sa kapatid niya sa Bellyborough.
Okay.
Iniwan namin yung dalawang aso, minute namin yung kapatid niya the first time I met the sister
Okay.
and the brother-in-law
Okay.
and the 2 children. And then that night, natulog kami sa kanila. The following morning, after the breakfast, sabi ko, I want to see the place so that I could understand what we are going to do.
Yes.
Nung pumunta kami, nasa Darkley,
Yes po.
nasa dulo pala ng lane. Kami ang pinakadulo. Pero yung lupang hanggang dulo, it belongs to the property of Darkley. At at the back of that, meron Loxilan. Pero ang bahay is dilapidated. The window was broken, and all the bath is coming out in of the house. Sabi ko, oh, it's a lot of things to do. Then, I have an idea already. It's a challenge for me. So I said to my husband, okay, we're going back to Kathleen's house. We have to pack our belonging and the 2 dogs will go ahead to the new abode. Nang makarating na kami rito, sinabi ko sa, makarating kami sa Belly Bureau, sabi ko sa hipag kong si Kathleen, John, all we need was a blanket, 2 pillows, and a kettle to brew our tea in the morning. So, yun. I have a picture of that while we are doing it. Pagkatapos ng ang uncle nyo, 4 o'clock, magbibis na yan. Pagkatapos niyang pupunta yan kay Francis Trainer sa pub, makikipag-socialize sa mga dati niyang kaibigan. Ngayon, ako naman nasa bahay na nakikinig ng Northern Sound, nagaganchilyo just to kill the time. I'm getting bored. So I just want to do something because it's not productive that the time is being wasted, the day is being wasted. So ang ginawa ko, sabi ko sa mister ko, pwede kaya ako mag-apply sa sa Manor Farm. That was when we arrived here, they're on strike.
Manor Farm, tita.
Manor Farm was on strike on the day we went to see the house. Okay. Sabi ko, nako, nag-strike pala rin dito. Ganun, maliit pa lang ang Manor Farm.
Maliit pa lang, ako.
It was only around 200 people are working there. It's very small.
Apa.
After a year, ayun sabi ko, mag-a-apply ako. I went to the guard house and I asked the application form, which he gave me one or two, and I filled it up. After that, I give it back. I sent it back to him. Those years, the general manager of Manor Farm was Sean Savage. Sean Savage, and then the assistant manager was Sean Cochran. And John O'Hare was the floor manager, and Eugene is the production manager. I do not know which one is which,
Yes.
right? There is Danny, I do not know the surname, and there is a newcomer, John O'Brien, and Pat Levy. That was it. I'm losing hope another few months because I haven't get a response to the Manor Farm. I said, it might be my age. I'll be probably 50 plus.
Yung time po na yun.
That time, I was only 50.
So, meron kayong doubt na parang
Na
hindi
doubt.
ako din. Kasi di na ako bata.
Because in England, that age, you haven't get no chance.
Okay.
They are preferred to get the younger, like 25 to 35, just few for 40s. Suddenly, after a few months, because when I applied, it's November, I think. And then the following year, 1991, there is a man who was my dog was barking mad, Bimbo especially, jumping up and down on the gate and trying to grab somebody. And that was a bit dark because it's only Mars is it's not really bright then. And I said, there is a man outside. And when I opened the door of my house, it was Joe Mulligan.
Okay.
Joe Mulligan, who you have a shop in the town. And he shouted at me, Chris, you have to report to Manor Farm tomorrow. I said, why? Because Sean Cochran wants to see you. And when I reached the office, Mulligan, I spoke to Mulligan. He said that, your application form went to the desk of Sean Cochran. And Sean Cochran, sabi kay Joe Mulligan, Joe, who is this Crisanta Martin? Sabi ni Joe, Crisanta Martin is the wife of Michael Martin, which is the cousin of Mary Fitzsimon, who is your housekeeper.
Yeah.
They are cousin. Oh, okay. So she is she is from Sherka related.
Yeah.
Yes, tell her to come. And then that is the time when I start working there, and everybody look at me. They
Of
think
course.
I come from different country, different planet because of my
first time.
feature.
First time
My
nila.
feature is different altogether.
Yes, po.
They are all pure Irish, and suddenly there is another alien who will come from another planet. So everybody, while I was walking
Every
in
time
the
you walk,
office,
yeah.
they are all looking at me instead of looking with their
Doing
job.
their job, yeah.
And then I met Sean Cochran. He is very, very nice man. I never meet Sean Savage.
Okay.
No, Sean Cochran is the one.
Apa.
After interviewing me, he said to me, come tomorrow and you have to start your training for 3 days, which you're going to have paid.
Right.
Training.
Automatic na yan, training.
Automatic.
Na may bayad, okay.
Yes. And the following day, it was 17th of March. It's St. Patrick's Day.
So after talaga, dito. Ay, yung on the day pala.
Yes, that's what I cannot forget. St. Patrick's Day. So the following day, I start and I'm over the moon because this is my first time I work in
Yeah.
the factory.
Yes.
Then I start the work, just what do you call it? Introduction,
Yes,
induction.
Induction.
So induction is very straightforward because it's, the visual is
It's
the
very-
map
Ah, the
of
map.
the art of the chicken.
Okay.
There is an art of cutting the chicken,
Alright.
the wing, the fillet, and the thigh, the drumstick,
Yes, ma'am.
like that. After that, it's only straightforward, pretty basic. 3 days is just passed like that, and then he sent me on the floor. I think we are 5 cutting coil. Yeah, we are 5, and some of them are Michael Ward. Some of them I do not know where now. Now, Sean Cochran said to Eugene, put Crisanta on the label
Okay.
because her hand is not very big to cope the
Big
bonding.
chicken, yeah.
Yeah, and besides, as a nurse, he knows
Of course.
I'm not very used to.
Hindi
And
pa ganun
if
din.
the production is heavy,
Different.
more order, I cannot cope.
It's really big, different from coming from a nurse
Yeah,
perspective
yeah.
to
And
a barbed
then-
farm. Yeah.
I was show me how to level, how to remove the
Yeah.
stamp, until I get used to it.
Apa.
Pagkatapos noon, nag-stamp, that was Savage time. We work only from 4:30 in the afternoon till 2 o'clock in the morning. But our day work or noon work is only 4 nights, from Monday to Thursday only. So after Wednesday midnight, it's Thursday, we are off. So we had only
few days.
2 days off.
2 days off.
That's why it's a good for us.
Yes, ma'am.
But the newcomer is required to work an overtime. And those days, when Carlton take you in, it will say nothing.
Yes.
They will allow you carry on working until 1 year or only 6 months. You will be permanent. You don't have to ask how is my job? Am I going to be laid off? No. Straightforward, you are permanent.
Yun na, diretsahan na
You
talaga.
don't need to say, to ask.
So they don't have any doubt na parang, bago lang to, baka di naman to magaling.
No.
Talagang,
They need people.
They need
They need people because those years, Irish people, they are not very keen of working in the cold factory.
Hindi sila sanay talaga dito.
No. Hindi. Meron, and those years, they killed chicken only 16,000 per week. Some of them are manual handling. Remove all the feathers by hand. It's not like those years they are boiling water or like, no.
Hindi sila talaga.
No. So, of course, they are not used to it.
Yes po.
So, they rely the worker from abroad, really.
So dito na po talaga nag-start yung parang oh, Crescent is very good. Maybe this will be our chance na yan, no?
The only reason why I start working on the factory, my aim, God knows, I would like to start in the factory, knowing, I would like to know who is the top. So that when there is an opportunity for me to get my family, I know who could I approach.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes po.
I start from looking around, looking eyes, my ear is open wide, then I use my mouth.
So kinuha talaga yung parang kinuha niyo po yung source talaga.
Mouth is not only for eating.
Yeah.
Mouth is only for using it.
Yes.
Yan ang motto ko. Not because some Filipino think that I am mouthy.
Yeah.
I am mouthy in one way, but I use it
You use
for a
it
good
in
purpose.
I
Right?
got
Not only for like I could hear about the Marites, Marichu. No. I use it for good purposes. And I could prove it now.
Yeah. Well, it says naman, tita, kahit hindi nyo i-prove, everybody knows na
Yes.
ang dami na natin
Yes.
Pilipino dito since 2001.
That is my aim.
Yes.
But before I get the other people, of course, charity begins in your in your home,
Yes.
in your place.
Yes.
So the start is beginning to get my family first.
Yes.
And then if there is a extra opportunity for the friends that I'm very close with them, then I give them a chance too. Some people think that I am very kuripot, matipid. Yes,
Yeah.
but I am not maramot when it comes to that.
Yes.
I will share. And you know now. Right.
So, sinip ko lang dito kasi sinabi niyo yung about yung nga, nag-start nga 2001, personally, I came here, but before that, 2000 talaga, year 2000, my mom came here.
Yes,
and
your mom is...
my brother, sorry.
Yeah.
And then, follow kami, which is,
Yeah.
ito yung sinabi ko sa podcast namin before, which is, si Papa nga po,
Kasunod na.
galing sa Saudi, which is, nakwento mo doon sa Saudi,
Yeah.
tapos, you came here, pero ayaw mo, di ba? Sabi mo noon, parang
2001.
nagdadoubt ka. Oo. Kasi,
Siyempre, that time, I am hesitated because nandun ako sa Saudi. Ano gagawin ko dito sa Ireland? Kasi hindi ko naman alam ang Ireland. Ano ba yung Ireland?
Oh, nobody knows Ireland before.
and then yung job mo rin is different.
It's different from my job before.
Kasi sabi mo nung sa episode natin like, banding naman ano yun?
Banding naman.
Ano bang ginagawa ng banding? Well, like, nobody, even yung tita, syempre, as a nurse, di ba? Hindi mo rin
No.
talaga alam yung ano ba tong work na meron. Pero, yung opportunity kasi na nandito ka sa Ireland, iba rin kumpara sa Pilipinas, kumpara dun sa Saudi.
Very
Middle East.
different.
Kasi, to be honest, ang alam ko siya, pagka manukan ka, magbabalahibo ka ng manok. Ay, hindi ko alam, puro makina na pala rito nang dumating tayo.
When we arrive here, there is already a machine.
Ayun.
But then, 40 years ago, before I arrived, they used manual.
Yes.
And remember, they kill only 15 to 16 chicken per week.
Yeah.
Not like now,
When I came here, it was 80,000 now.
80,000
a day.
right.
Yeah. When we come here.
Yeah, now, it's a totally different altogether. Ang ngayon, ang aim ko talaga, lahat ng mga kamag-anak, mga pamilya ko muna, uunahin ko.
Yes po.
Nang nandito na kayong lahat, nag-share na ako sa iba. Right? Now, maganda na ang ang mga trabaho nyo, maayos na nung dumating kayo. But before you came, there is a plan. Manor Farm get a grant 3 million from Brussels to have a pilot scheme. They were gonna have a big factory. So they give us a grant. Manor Farm give us a grant for 3 million. So before that, before Austin Kiley, it was Sean Savage. Sean Savage been sacked.
Okay.
Right? I'm not going to
Yeah.
tell you the story because that is a
The personal things.
personal.
Apo.
And it's not my business.
Of
It's
course.
not. So, when Justin Carton
Yes.
came, I could talk to Justin Carton
Yes, Papa.
personal. And when he knows that I was a Filipino, the
First, yeah.
first Filipina, he was so intrigued to know that
Yes.
because he haven't been to the Philippines.
Yep.
He was only not in the age of 30. He's very young.
Yes po.
So he interviewed me. How do I like Ireland? I said it's no different. Because I came from England, the same as here. So he knew that I'm used to the weather. I'm used to the people because in England it's the same. Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland, I worked with them.
Yeah.
So there is no difference. Now, when the Manor Farm is decreasing all this, the chicken, one day I heard that Sean Savage things is all in the bag, beginning he been sacked. In other words, he been sacked. And then a week later, there is a tall man, handsome, good looking, came around looking. He was holding a ball pen in his mouth, looking around. But we are all amazed because every one of us working in the factory, he knows the name. He knows the name. He was on my back, behind me. Hello, Crisanta. Oh, hello. And he said to me, I'm Austin Kiley. I'm the new manager. Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes po.
So, how are you? I'm all right. How is the work? Oh, yes, pretty good. Oh. How is the other, like Alice?
Yes.
All we are in the group. Hedda Gibson, no, you know. And then we are not expecting that he is the general manager. But he is very polite, he is very accommodating. You could talk to him. Right. After that, the Manor Farm beginning to pick up lots of order. Because he have a lots of contact. After that, then when they receive the money, they will start the Summerhill.
Yes.
They start Carlo.
Next part po.
When the production was picking up, he came to me. Not before Austin Kiley came, I approached Eugene. Eugene was a production manager. My son was only 15 years old, MJ.
MJ Michael, yeah.
I said, it's coming, the terms is coming to an end. Can my son start having some pocket money here? And Eugene said, how old is your son? I said, he will be 16 this coming August. When he is 16, you could tell him to come and you to train him. He gave me a right to train my own son.
Yeah.
And I was surprised.
Siyempre, bawal po yun. Well, hindi lang sa bawal. It's just,
Be-
you know the way, iba dapat.
Yeah, because he knows that I could tell straight to my son
Well,
what to do.
that's it, yeah.
Instead of him training my son.
Yeah.
So, but I did not train Michael.
Somebody train.
No. When he came, Eugene asked him, "Oh, Michael, MJ, do this," and that's it. After that, Michael, when summertime, he get money, pick up money, carry on. When Austin came round, that was summer. I was surprised. Michael came to me, "Mommy, you know the manager, Austin Kylie?" I said, "Yes, why?" He said to me that he wants me to be what is the
Foreman?
Charchan.
In charge?
Charge hand. I said to MJ, "No. Charge hand is lots of responsibility. If the work is finished, they go to, and the
Yeah.
worker are going to finish it."
Tama.
No, don't say that for 20 euro, that was 20 euro or
Okay.
20. No, it's not worth it.
Okay.
But it's up to you. Sabi ko kay Michael, it's up to you. If you want to take it, it's up to you. But I'm giving you already.
Advice. Yeah. My,
I'm waiting. Michael was waiting to be a charge hand. A few weeks, he came again. "Mom, I'm going to do the managerial training." "Excuse me, you haven't started the charge hand." Sabi niya, I can't because he sent me to the, is it in Newmore Hotel or in somewhere in a big hotel. I have to do the training for managerial.
yes.
But yeah, well, it's up to you. But in my mind, it will gonna have something. Everybody will gonna have a fuss about that because most of them are 30 years
Yes.
been there and they did not offer a job.
Yeah.
I don't want to have Michael a problem.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, the father, my husband and Mike, Austin Kylie talk. And he said to me, personally, Kylie said to me, "Austin Kylie, I like your son
Wow.
because he knows the job. He doesn't talk too much."
He wants the job to be done.
Yes.
Kaya
And
ganun.
no, it's like his father.
Yeah.
Your uncle, he never talked, but
Yeah,
he was a union leader. He is a
Yeah.
spokesman.
Ah, really?
Uncle Mickey is a spokesman TW in England.
Oh, that's really... Well, it shows naman, tita.
He doesn't show na
Hindi, it shows naman
No.
na they have this kind of passion and focus sa isang job na in goal.
no, but because they know when it comes to work, they want the work to be done proper.
Yeah.
That's what my Uncle Mickey said to the son. When you will take the job, do it properly.
Yeah.
It's not like, because of taking advantage.
Yeah.
No, do it properly. So that's the son take that note, take that saying of the father. So now, when the time started Summerhill and Carlo, he sent Michael to Carlo to become a manager.
In Carlo, tita?
Yes, he's
So
the
there's a manor farm in Carlo that time?
Yes, he was the manager there.
Akala ko sa
Yeah, I remember that.
Akala ko sa Manila.
He got his own chicken sausages.
Okay.
He is the one, Austin Kylie asked me, lots of Filipino to work with Michael because he knows he could guarantee all the Filipino will gonna work with Michael.
And worked well.
Worked well and adapted with the,
Oh, yeah.
because one of us, they call Michael one of us.
Yeah.
Sorry, ate. So you mean to say, Michael John is Charchan before, yeah?
No,
He
did not go to charter.
He did that? You mean he was been accelerated in a week?
Yes.
Oh,
Maybe-
as a manager.
Yes.
Maybe they see a
Alright.
potential na, he can do more than the church hand.
But were you talking about Charchan? It means to say it's a church on hand?
Charge hand, it means that time when
As a foreman.
Austin,
Yeah, as a foreman.
Austin approached him to
Yeah.
he likes him to be charge hand.
Yeah, the
Because
meaning
he-
of charge hand is charge on hand.
charge on hand.
Yeah.
Charge hand in the list and own.
Okay.
Charge hand.
Okay.
Right. We are waiting for that. In other words, Austin knows that when he give the things for Michael, he do it.
Okay.
No talking, no,
Alright.
just do it. Right. When the pilot scheme arrived, one in Summerhill is John O'Hare. One in Carlo is IMJ.
Yeah.
Right? So the two. Because those years only pilot scheme.
Yeah.
The intention is while they are making the main factory in Shercock, it means big.
Yeah.
They are Summerhill is close to Dublin.
Oh,
Yeah.
So all the orders will go straight to Summerhill. They were gonna do it there. All the chicken, come from here straight to Summerhill and Carlo, straight, easy for them to
Yeah.
deliver to, if it is England, straight to England. It's quicker.
Tanong ko
To
lang,
the port.
sorry tita, tanong ko lang. So, yung sinasabi nyo, si Michael, meron na siyang mga Pilipino.
Oh, sila Jenny
Yes,
Lynn.
but yung ibang mga Pilipino. So, ito ba yung mga taong nakuha nyo? Nung time
Akin
na
lahat yun.
Lahat yan.
Walang ibang nakakuha nun kundi akin.
Oo. So, ito yung sinasabi natin sa kanila. na
Summerhill, lahat yan
Came
akin.
to you. It went to you para.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
So,
yun, ito yung...
every one of them
Yeah.
belongs to Crisanta.
Which is we know naman ita na
Yes.
we as I said I've been there and everybody can kumbaga maging magpo-prove na kayo talaga ang
Oo.
nagbigay kumbaga sabihin na natin na may mga bagong dumating na Filipino
Oo.
but not because of you na nakuha nyo kami
Oo.
at yung iba hindi rin siguro sila makukuha kung hindi nyo rin kinuha yung mga tao
Yun na nga.
kumuha muna kinuha nyo muna.
The root is the main thing.
Yeah.
They're only branches.
Yes.
It's like a tree.
So,
Who is the root?
So nagkaroon lang talaga ng another opening this time, 2024, kaya nakakuha ulit sila.
Oo.
Pero iba pa rin po yung year
Iba
na
yung-
kinuha nyo.
Iba.
Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko nga, hindi naman sa pangmamalaki natin, pero it comes naman talaga na everybody has to know kung paano dumami ang mga tao sa Shercock, paano dumami ang tao sa Caban, Maunahan, and as I said,
And to make it clear,
yes po,
I did not get any penny to those manor farm people.
Yun.
Make it sure, transparency. They paid the money to
Straight to
Byblos.
Byblos. Yung type na yun,
Byblos is
agency.
not me.
Yes.
I only hired Byblos so that they could
Okay.
come over here.
Yes, po.
But the money goes to Byblos, not to Crisanta. Make it clear.
yes po. O, yun nga, sabihin lang natin sa mga tao na kasi siyempre, pag sinabi natin, kumakot kayo ng napakaraming tao, pero kasi yung time na yun, tita, talagang you are asking for help sa mga agency.
Sa agency.
Here or sa Pilipinas. Kasi you have no idea talaga. You have no agency.
I haven't got no agency.
You are, kumbaga, ito lang sa akin, tita, you are the bridge between the company
Yes, I am the
and
coordinator.
Yes.
I am the coordinator. That's the right word.
Kailangan nila ng tao. So how can they get people from the Philippines, let's say?
Yes.
Kung walang Crisanta.
Because Austin Kylie trust me.
Yun.
The trust is the most important. It doesn't matter who you are. The trust. And Austin knows that I'm against the union. Because the union sometimes they are the one who's wrecking
Oh yeah.
the factory.
Well,
right?
Yeah, we all know naman. May union tayo.
Yeah,
Pero,
but they are the one who getting the money and they are not going to represent the laborers.
yeah, iba-iba tayo.
So they make it clear.
Yes.
So now, all the manor farm, right? All the manor farm.
Yes po.
Wala akong Byblos. Shoni is the one who have a franchise. So I hired her, but we have a barter na kung kukuha ko ng mga Pilipino, pero kailangan meron akong kamag-anak na lalabas. Kaya yan ang barter ko para huwag kayong mangutang lahat
Yeah.
sa Pilipinas. Ayokong lahat Sila ang mag-ano, tapos sa mga kamag-anak ko, mangungutang para lang sa kanila. No way. I use my brain. I use my head. So, lahat kayong mga nandito, wala silang lahat kayong mag-aang at saka may time frame. Time frame is only 3 months. Not even over 3 months. If I give when the work permit arrive, Austin will gonna call me in the office.
Yeah.
He will give me all the work permit. Santa, he is the work permit. So how long they will come? How long it will take? No problem. I will give it to the agency, my contact, and they are gonna work with this contact, and within less than 3 months they will be here, which is right. So he trusted me. So all the order pasok. Lahat na anuhan. Kaya lumaki ang Manor Farm dahil sa inyo.
Yeah, that's right naman, tita. Without the trust coming from the big source, yung sa pinaka-top,
Yes.
hindi naman matutupad to, hindi naman. Kasi yung pinakita nyo na rin sa kanila na I
Pinakita-
can work hard, even
Of
I'm
course.
small, kahit hindi nyo ako kano-ano rito, yun yung tingin nila sa atin, sa inyo,
Oo.
more likely. Pero you prove them wrong na I can do better, I can do more. And bibigyan ko kayo ng tao na tutulong mapapalago ang Manor Farm.
And I will give you the Filipino who could work very hard in order to put all the orders go.
Oh, ito guys, sabihin ko lang, tita. Ito guys, ito yung pinagkukwentuhan natin is just Manor Farm itself.
Manor Farm.
Ito pa lang yun Pero meron pang ibang factory nga sinasabi natin. May, ano pa yung ibang factory, tita? May Rye Valley, yung time na yun, Rye Valley.
Pilgrim Rye Valley.
Nga, Pilgrim.
Mga mami mo.
Ayun, doon
Mga pinsan mo.
Mga pinsan, si Mami.
Oo.
Kere Foods.
Kerry Foods.
Kerry Food yan. Ang pangalan ng araw ng Golden Bale.
Golden Bale.
Golden Bale
Oo, may
first,
dalang Kerry.
Rye Valley, and then Kerry Food.
Kerry Food.
Kerry Food ang may-ari. Kerry Food. That's the brand, Kerry Food. The owner of that, the chairman, is Pat O'Leary.
So, kilala nyo rin yung mga yan.
The-
Kasi they hear your name.
Yes, and they know me very well because when I was working there, I just in my mind, I must know who is the owner
Yeah.
and who is the human resources, which I get it all.
You mean to say, after Manor Farm, you work in Rye Valley?
Wait, after I've been to Manor Farm, Austin, when they received the 3 million grant, he started to lay off people. Right. And he put on the notice board that who want to have a redundancy,
Oh, yung time.
free redundancy and free tax.
Right.
Which is a good because the time Rye Valley is looking for people. I said to Austin, put my name down. Make sure that I will get redundant.
Okay.
See, some people doesn't want to have a redundancy,
Of course.
but I am the one who wants it.
Kabaliktaran
But how many months are you working in Manor Farm?
Why? Now, when he said there is a reason for doing that because all of us are working in the stamp, labeling.
Yeah.
Our children is just go inside to work to earn a pocket money, and of course the last one who is going inside, the first one is
first one to
going
get
out.
Yeah.
See, I'm using my brain. So that time, Michael John is only 1 or 2 years pa lang na nagtatrabaho. So, lahat kami mga may anak na pinasok, nagpunta kami sa Rye Valley. Which, ang usapan namin ng Rye Valley, I don't drive. So, what they did is provide the transportation
Okay.
from 12 o'clock midnight to 7 o'clock. 12 o'clock, the bus will come when we are going to start. Wait, I have to finish the Manor Farm first.
Sige, go, tita.
It's getting jumping.
Go.
After that, when they give me a redundancy money, before I get the money, I apply.
Yes, po.
When they accepted me, I get my redundancy money.
Yeah.
So I'm ready. Now I'm happy. Then Chris Malone said, yes, you could start this and that. I start. And then, my time is 12 midnight. The bus will arrive from Nora at the front of the shop to pick me up.
Yes.
7:30 in the morning, the bus going home, they'll pick us up 7:30 at the gate of Rye Valley.
Sa Rye Valley.
So I'm free. Free transportation, free everything, and why not?
Paano nyo na-convince
And then, after, of course, I know because I could read the newspaper, Anglo-Celt, they keep changing all these people in and out, always advertising, hiring.
So doon kayo nagkaroon ng idea na parang why you have to do that if you can get a person of
Yes,
people na
right.
can stick.
Yes. Now, when I approached Chris Malone, she is a human resources, Caroline McQuaid, and Nula, the three human resources said to me, okay, we will gonna speak to Pat O'Leary, which is the chairman,
Aba.
one of the owner. And I know Pat Leary. And Pat Leary said, okay, we're going to give a chance to Crisanta people. Call Crisanta and tell that we are going to get 18. 18 Filipinos.
Straightforward, 18.
But before that, your mom, J. Mark and Daisy, the three.
First three.
The first three, I said, these three first, before the rest.
Yeah.
So that's what they did.
Yes.
And that is the history.
Okay. So, medyo ano siya, tita, no? Very tricky, pero at the same time, you try your best na, yun nga, ginamit nyo yung source at yung inyong instinct din, more likely
Of
din,
course,
na
you-
basahin lahat to. Paano ko makakatulong sa family ko? Paano ko mabibigyan ng opportunity
Yes.
yung iba?
Yes.
Hindi na, kahit hindi nyo nga kamag-anak eh. Sabi nyo nga, you start from your backyard first.
Backyard.
Then,
Charity begins
it will
with
grow
fam-
naman talaga kung talaga God's permit na ito
Begins
yung
at
plan.
home.
Dadagdag. Which is, ito na nga, dumagdag ng dumagdag, dumami ng Pilipino rito, and as I said, ulitin ko, maraming factory. Hindi ko nga alam kung, actually sa totoo lang, since nawala ako sa Manor Farm, syempre, since nawala ako sa Caban, nalipat na ako ng ibang place na nag-work, I'm still thankful, syempre, kay Tita Baby dahil sa tinulong niya sa akin, sa family niya, hindi lang kay Tita Baby. It will start with Uncle Mike for sure. Kasi siya yung nag-convince sa inyo na
Oo,
magdagdag.
kaya nga, kung ayoko rito, dahil Alam is never,
Or does it exist for you? Parang gano'n, tita, na parang...
doesn't exist to the Filipino.
Di ba? Wala naman talaga nakakalam ng
Wala
Ireland.
nakakalaw, kailangan nakilala mo ng dahil sa Euro.
Yes, sa Euro. So anyways, start from your family na
Family first.
na bring out nyo yung kami, and then dumating na yung... Sunod dumating, tita, naging domino effect na eh.
Oo,
Yung time na
wala.
kaya nga, yung 2000 eh, year 2000.
Sunod-sunod.
Until, kailan ba kayo tumigil? Huling year.
2005.
Yung huling year na kumuha kayo,
2005.
kailing 17, yung kumuha kayo ng Filipino pa. Ano na?
2017.
17. So,
Kasi
yun yung sabi ko, tita. 2005 natapos kayo sa work. Tama ba? Yung ba yung sinasabi
Oo.
nyo? Pero 2017, you keep... 2005, tapos na kayo dun sa work. Pero you keep insisting and
The second generation, mga pininsan yun sa ano ng lolo nyo.
Ayun na yun. Ito na
Yun
yung...
ang mga kinuha ko naman.
Ito na po yung dumating. Kahit natigil kayo dun sa work na sinasabi nyo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung pag-help nyo.
Oh.
Actually, tita, yung ginagawa nyo, ano na lang kayo, papahinga na lang kayo.
Pahinga lang.
Kumbaga, 2005, papahinga na lang kayo, retirement. Pero yung mga tao, sunod-sunod.
Kaya
Santa, baka pwede nyo kami tulungan.
gusto ko mag-retire. Basta sinasabi ko, kahit si mami mo, sinabi mo na mag-retire ka, pero kukuha ka na naman. Paano hindi ko maiiwasan? May Pilipinong humihingi ng tulong. May mga employer na humihingi ng tulong.
Yeah.
Nagmimit.
Mm-mm.
Ano magagawa ko? Kaya ako tatawag na mediator.
Yeah, you're in the middle lady.
Coordinator and mediator.
So, yun yung naging naging nyo, hindi nyo yung mahinangad na
No.
maging ganun.
No.
Ang istorya, takbo. Ang gusto nyo lang talaga,
Ang
makuha yung
pamilya
family.
ko. Ang pamilya ko lang ang intention ko. Ang aim ko para makilala lahat yung mga matataas na mga may-ari para kung lalapit ako, madali. Kilala na ako dahil mayroong problema nagtrabaho ako. Kilala na ako dahil the first Filipino in Kawan.
Yes. Which is
Oh.
nasa ano ba kayo tita? Nasa news ba kayo no? Meron bang Kawan or shortcut newspaper ba?
Wala pa noon,
Walang ganon.
no.
Pero na ano kayo hindi naman sa
Hindi.
naghahanap kayo ng recognition or
No,
anything.
no.
It's just it happens na
No.
siguro yung mga tao na lang.
Hindi, those days, walang mga ganyan na nagbibigay. Sila mga ayos lang. Which I'm not used to those kind of things.
Yes, po.
And I don't want to show that I'm hunger of power.
Yeah.
Which is not.
Yeah.
I don't want any responsibility.
Yes, po.
Because I learned from my brother, my Uncle Mick.
Yes, po.
When you are because your Uncle Mick is behind with this.
Yes, yeah.
If you are going to do this, do it properly. Go to the top.
Yeah.
Kasi being he's working in a big company, international Shell, he knows the right way. Oh,
The idea.
binigyan niya rin sa akin ang ano niya.
Knowledge.
Ayoko rito, which I never heard Ireland before.
Yeah.
But marami akong aris na kasamahan sa
Yeah.
England. That's why, okay.
Yeah, nabigyan
Yun
kayo
lang ang ano ko.
nabigyan kayo ng idea. So, yun nga, tita, it's so ano na talaga yung kwento nyo. I know it's gonna be a long story.
Long story.
Kung ikukwento natin dito, yung isang oras natin hindi
Hindi
kakasya.
ako maghapon. Manor Farm pa lang yan.
Yes,
Wala
tita.
pa ang Rye Valley.
Yeah.
Wala pa ang Rangeland. Wala pa ang
yeah.
Leafy Meat. Wala pa ang Kipa. Wala pa ang Doherty. Wala pa yung mga carer na pinasok ko sa Clay.
Doon, dami nyo pala
Makarin pa.
pinasok.
Meron pa akong parating na Malta. Oh.
Pero ito lang guys, as I said, sinabi rin dito rito, middle lady lang siya. Pero hindi siya recruiter guys. Okay?
No, no.
Sabihin namin sa inyo para mas madali yung maano. Hindi siya recruiter. It's just it happens lang nga na
Kilala kasi ako na may mga ano.
yung mga employer,
Employer.
ang pumupunta sa kanya, which is mga Irish ang pumupunta sa kanya na, please, pwede mo ba kami tulungan? We need people. We need, worker. Here.
The example is Leafy Meat.
Limit.
Leafy Meat in Bali James.
Papa. Ay, oh yeah.
It appears on my iPad, my
Okay.
tablet. Anthony Lyon. Meron akong proof.
Okay.
Anthony Lyon from Leafy Meat. Crisanta. We got your name from. Hang on a minute. Anthony wrote, Crisanta, I know you are a Filipina. Would you help us out looking for Filipino worker? Yun. Umpisa na yun. Ngayon, after that, another one from Doherty and Gray, the owner, Brendan Doherty, said, Hi, Crisanta. This is a Brendan Doherty of Doherty and Gray. I got your name from owner of Leafy Meat with Francis Malon. Said that you are the right person to call for Filipino worker. Could you help us? Yes, and I meet him in Lisburn, in Northern Ireland. Because he wants me. That's the reason why those Filipino,
Hindi.
Winston, Mickey, John Sacapano, yung mga pamangkin ng mga sa tatay ko,
Yeah.
nandun lahat sila.
Sila yung mga latest. kumbaga.
Latest na, yun ang latest ko.
Which is, I don't know them actually. To tell you the truth.
No.
Kasi ano na sila parang extension na ng family.
Family na yun eh.
Yes.
Ted na yun.
Pero family pa.
Pero family niyo yun dahil ang lolo mo,
Yes.
ang lolo mo sino ba? Si Fidel,
Fidel.
di ba?
Fidel
At ang
Morales.
lola nila, great-grandma nila.
Ayan.
Kaya kayo, mas mataas dahil link kayo sa akin,
Yes.
sa tatay ko.
Yes.
Sila, link lang sila sa lola nila.
Sa lola nila.
Sa mga kasing ko na yung mga nanay
parang
nila.
third yun. Apo sa
Third
tuhod
yun.
ba? Or parang
Oo.
gano'n na siguro.
That's the reason why when the Manor Farm said to MJ, is that all your mother's family?
too big.
Sabi nga nila, sabi ko extension na lang, kumbaga sila adapted ko na lang.
Yeah.
Because I'm the eldest here, tell them that because I'm the eldest, as regard, they call me auntie.
Yes.
As a sign of respect.
Respect.
Hindi na kasi naiintindihan yung mga yon.
Kala na
Kasi
nila.
wala na
Yeah.
wala.
Kaya kala nila, lahat to pamangkin mo.
Oo, kasi bawat
Auntie.
makita si Auntie Chris, si Auntie
Si
Chris,
Tita.
it's only a sign of respect.
But anyways, tita, kahit naman sabihin natin, hindi nyo sila relatives or relatives.
Oo.
You treat them as a your own family pa rin, di ba?
Of course, like you.
Yes.
Your friend is
Michael,
Michael Apon.
yes,
You
yes.
recommended to me.
Yes.
Now he's here.
Yes.
That is the way I use.
Yeah.
Mga pamangkin ko, nagbibigay. O di, yun nga lang, isa nakakaawa, hindi ko pa rin naaayos.
Parang ang nangyayari, sorry, parang connect na lang ngayon. Connect dadat.
Yeah.
Kaya nga adapted eh. Kaya inadapt ko na rin eh.
Pero yun nga, tita, sa ano nga, as I said, hindi natin kayang tapusin to sa
No.
isang upuan lang. Pero
Matatapos.
we are thankful. Yun nga, sabi ko, ulit ko sasabihin, namin sasabihin, lalo na kami, family namin, na we're thankful talaga sa inyo, sa family nyo, Michael John and Uncle Mike, na nakuha nyo kami. At kami, nandito na sa Ireland. I'm here now for 24 years na rin ako
Yes.
dito sa Ireland, tita. Hindi siya ganun kadali. Pero it
Pero
was so
here-
amazing
Yes.
na tumagal ako. Sabi ko nga, time ng tita, 1 year lang.
Oh.
Susubukan ko lang. I'll check kung anong magiging situation
Ang
ko rito.
future.
Kasi meron ako sariling gusto sa
Like,
buhay.
you have your own plan.
Yes, tita, I have my own path talaga. Pero sabi ko, siyempre sabi ni mami, sabi ni tita, parang sige, subukan ko, why not? Wala lang kung subukan
Oo.
natin. Kumbaga,
Ah,
nag-open ang opportunity.
Opportunity knock only once.
Yes, so I said, okay, go for it. And then sabi ko,
Yeah.
1 year. Then, 24 years. Stay with the family
With
na.
family ka na.
May mga friends and extension nga. So,
you have your own family now.
I think this is talaga. Ito yung siguro
Your
talaga
own
faith.
path.
Faith.
Your
and path.
destiny.
My destiny
Yeah,
na
it's your
mag-stay.
destiny.
Which is ganun din si Papa. Kahit gano'n siya katagal sa Saudi
18 years.
kung
Oh.
ano man.
18 years
Before
eh.
that, when Jimmy Cooper,
Yes, Jimmy.
Cooper and me are very close, and Liam, those years.
Yeah.
And we are talking about the son of Jimmy Cooper, and he said to me that he got a son in Netherlands, and he got this and that. And I said, oh, I have a brother-in-law in Saudi Arabia who is working for telecommunication. He is a slicer or whatever. And then, when there is opportunity, I said, I wish I could take it.
Yeah.
You know, and suddenly, it happens.
No.
Now, so, you
Andito
never
na.
know.
You never know, tita. Kahit ibang Pilipino na nakakausap natin, tita, kahit nag-engineer sila sa ibang bansa or doktor or
Yeah.
nurse sila sa ibang bansa, pumunta sila ng Ireland, iba ang trabaho nila.
Iba, they cannot use that.
Gets
They
niya, tita?
cannot
Which is,
use-
it happens to you, nurse kayo sa ibang bansa, sa London.
Sa
Punta
Pilipinas,
rito.
hindi naman ako nurse.
O, di, ayun nga.
Teacher nga ako.
Yun nga, tita, sabihin, you are in a different profession. Tapos pagbagsak niya rito, nag-work kayo sa hindi natin kinakahiya.
No, I don't.
Kasi ano siya legal yung trabaho, maganda, kumbaga nakakabuhay. Ang sa factory, nakakabuhay ng pamilya. Well,
Oo.
compare mo naman siyempre, tita, ito lang sabihin natin, compare kasi dun sa Pilipinas na factory worker, talaga mababa po talaga ang sahod. Pero dito kasi, sakto at may extra na kumikita ka naman, na-extend yung...
At saka, ang kaasarapan dito, the benefit fringes is very nice because they it's a mandatory and they cannot reduce that.
Yeah.
Because that is the land's
Of course.
law.
Nasa law na lahat yan. Hindi pa pwedeng
Hindi
bumaba.
pa pwedeng
Sa
bumaba.
basic
Pag sinabing this is the minimum wage,
Yeah.
no less, no more.
Yes. So yun nga po, nakaka-inspire yung, as I said, nakaka-inspire yung kwento nyo. Siguro sa next podcast natin, siguro dito.
Ibang factory na
Abang factory naman kasi, dami natin factory. Hindi ko alam, baka more than 10 years ang factory na yun.
factory manor farm lang yan.
Oo, actually,
Wala
pwede
pa.
na. I-start pa natin sa ibang
Wala pa
factory.
ng Nifimit, wala pa nga ang Kipa, wala
Yeah.
pa ang
Akala ko nasabi nyo na lang.
wala pa ang
Marami. Kasi kahit sabihin nyo, ito pala sa Manor Farm. Sabihin natin, mag-start ako sa Rye Valley. Ang dami ng pwedeng interview sa Rye Valley na yung mga kilala na natin
Yun-
na matagal na.
Oo.
Pero ang hirap din kasi sobrang dami nila. Gusto ko sila imbitahan, pero ang hirap. Kahit yung
Mahirap.
iba.
Nagsimula ka na sa Manor Farm, mag-interview ka na sa Manor Farm. Ako sa Manor Farm.
Hindi, na-interview na kita last time. Kaya tama ka na. Cut off ka na. Tapos na. Ito, nandito ka pa.
Saka na hindi pimit.
Oo, yun na nga.
Pero yan.
At saka sinabi ko sa kanila noon, umalis ako, sinabi ko kaya sa mama mo, pag ako umalis na ng Ireland, wala nang kukuha.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Paano te?
Pero umalis ako.
Ay, oo nga.
Sabi ko, pag
Tama.
ako umalis dito, wala nang kukuwas ng Pilipino.
Kasi punta ka Hungary.
Pumunta na ako ng Spain muna,
Yeah.
tsaka
Spain,
Hungary.
Spain.
Wala nang kukuha dahil wala na si Crisanto.
Which happened naman.
That's happened. Then when I come back, oh God, eto na, meron na naman na
Natunugan kayo.
K-pop. K-pop na kay Daisy.
Ayan.
Yun ang unang-una.
Makaren.
Makarin yun. Kaya,
Yeah, pero yeah, tita, thank you so much for your time. At least, nabigyan natin ng linaw kung bakit ako nandito, bakit nandito ang parents ko at yung mga ibang Pilipino. Isa pa lang to, malupag pa lang to pinag-uusapan namin. There will be a longer story nga naman. Pero, we are, very inspired.
Thankful
Na-move kami.
na-move.
Na-move kami. Kasi, yung ginagawa ng Buhay Ireland is hindi ko rin naman talaga ginagawa to dahil gusto ko lang. Ito kasi, meron kasi
Sineshare.
tao na alam ko ginawa niya, ito nga si Tita Crisanta yun, Tita Baby yan, ang nag-show sa akin na gawin yung kaya kong gawin. Kasi I can do more.
yeah.
Kaya sabi ko, 24 years na ako, Tita, sabi ko, can I do something naman para sa mga
Worth it.
Pilipino?
Can I do something
which is ginawa
worth
nyo
it,
rin
yeah.
din. Line nyo rin
Yeah.
yun na parang gusto kong sundan. Gusto kong, hindi dahil gusto kong maging recruiter. Hindi ako recruiter din. Pero I'm trying to share and give
Yes,
jobs
to
na
share.
meron ako nakikita rito. So why not na gawin ko rin?
Share mo.
Pero hindi ako kasi lakas si Tita na kaya ko yung sources. The big sources. Pero anyways, Tita, maraming pong salamat
Oh, no,
sa
It's my
araw.
pleasure to share because that is truth.
Well, that's true. Kaya nga po.
Hindi
Tita.
ako magbibigay ng false. That is the truth.
That's the truth. Oh, naman, Tita. Dito
Yeah.
dito po sa Buhay Ireland, walang sinungaling. We are
Ako,
telling
meron din mga
Oh, well,
sinungaling.
syempre.
Kaya lang, yung iba, hindi sasabihin.
Oo naman. Hindi, lahat naman tayo may mga
Oo,
kaya.
may mga ano tayo.
Oh, no. Pero yeah, I'm so thankful. Thank you rin sa
So,
ating...
bago tayo magtapos,
Ayan na.
dugtong ko lang.
Oh, yung duktong pa.
Ay, ibig sabihin, may second part pa to si ate.
Well,
Siyempre,
kung-
marami pang ibang factory.
Oh.
Ngayon, 18 years ako sa Saudi Arabia.
O, kalapit na
Na-interview
tayo
na ako. Kanya naman ako nagpunta rito. Hindi, dudugtong ko lang. Mexing-mexi lang. Kaya naman ako nagpunta rito. At napapayag na rin ako kahit na, kasi manager nga ako dun sa Saudi Arabia. At si dito, ang magiging ano ko ay manure farm, manukan. Magbabanting ng manok. Unang-una, first goal, hindi ko kayo makatagalan. 45 days ko lang pinakikita. Nung umalis ako sa Pilipinas, siguro 6 years old, 7 years old kayo, di ba? At kaya naman ako napapayag dito, hindi kami magkasama-sama ng mami mo. Wala naman kasing citizenship sa Saudi Arabia. Dito, meron.
Tama yun.
Kaya sinabi ko sa sarili ko, dito na ako sa Ireland.
Ireland na.
At least, nandito mami mo, nandito kay lahat.
Tama yun. Kaya nung sinabi sa akin ng mama mo yun na, ate, di ba, kunin mo na si Joey. Okay, kukunin ko. Hindi nagdalawang salita. Kasunod na, tinawag, nasa rivalry tayo, di ba? Crisanta, sabi sa office, please come up. Work permit is here for you.
Pero Tita, may request po si Mami actually. Pwede daw po papalikin na lang siya sa Saudi. ngayon na. Kasi nagbago na po, tapos na yan eh.
No.
Hindi, maraming po salamat ulit.
Kaya naman gusto ko, nandito si Papa mo, gusto ko rin ng family unit.
Oh, naman, Tita. Yes.
At least sama-sama kayo.
Ayan nga po. Nabuo na po ulit
yun
kami.
ang gusto
Tita.
ko.
Yeah, so maraming po salamat
Okay.
doon. So ayan, maraming salamat kay Tita Baby.
Thank you
sa
very
aking
much.
guest na nagsabi pa na kanyang which is alam na natin yun sa last episode. Pero, I know yung point mo. Pero yan, maraming po salamat. Sana kung kayo nagustuhan nyo tong episode namin, please give it a thumbs up. And kung nagustuhan nyo talaga ang episode na to, please follow, subscribe. And syempre, i-share nyo na lang din tong ating journey dito sa Buhay Ireland. And yan, marami pang mga ganitong istorya na maririnig nyo dito sa Buhay Ireland dahil sa mga nagagalingan, ng mga mabubuting tao dito sa Buhay Ireland, katulad ni Tita Baby na nandito sa
Shout out,
Ireland.
shout out.
Diba? So at sa buong yung mga natin, mga kaibigan natin, si Shortcut Kaban mo lang, hello sa inyo. At kung gusto nyo makasama sa ating episode, sabihin nyo lang kami. Yun lang, maraming po salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyo and yun lang, God bless and bye-bye.
Pwede mo mag-shoutout?
O pwede shoutout, habol.
Habol shoutout. huwag niyo kalimutan, ang mga followers ko, I love you all. Kabogchi!
Ayan, come on. Kaya tita, meron ba gusto i-ano dyan? I-shout out or i-hi?
Wala ako isa-shoutout kasi kung
Sila mag-shout out
Siya,
sa'yo.
sila magsaano sa akin dahil hindi ko naman, Diyos ko, ba't ako mag-ano sa kanila?
Oo,
Hindi sila
mamaya.
ang magsalita sa akin.
Ayun. Ayan. Pero ayun, tita, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
Okay,
Ayun, kita
thank
tayo
you.
sa susunod na episode, guys. Bye.